Chair, on the other aspect, I want to now come to the 750 million under vaccines. Chair, there was a budget reduction of 750 because we had requested in our budget estimate, we had requested 1.2, and we realized that we needed an additional 750 million. In that, Chair, we have a challenge of payments of the vaccines. And therefore there was outstanding bill of about 4.6 billion, no, 3.6 billion. So if we take this additional 750 million, that makes it 2 billion. So we are going to pay UNICEF and Gavi the 2 billion, and then we still have an outstanding bill of vaccines amounting to 1.6 billion. Chair, this is something that we are supposed to pay. I know we have a facility, a revolving facility that if we exhaust, then they will block supply of vaccines. So we are supposed to get this money and then pay. That's the reason why we requested for additional of 750 million to help us clear the outstanding bill. And I think, Chair, most of you have read in the newspaper that we are having challenges of vaccines. This is the reason why, because if you're not able to meet our obligations, then there will always be a cut and they will not supply us with the vaccines. And that's why we request the Treasury to give us additional. In fact, this additional 250 million, we are going to send it so that we procure the challenge of the shortage of vaccines that we are having currently, and that we have already done.